Naomi Home presents the Elsy Contemporary Two-Tone Desk, a stylish, spacious working area that accommodates to both laptop and desktop setups. Need storage? This desk has you covered with 3 small drawers, a large transparent door cabinet, a keyboard tray, and 2 storage shelves, offering plenty of space to keep your essentials organized and within reach. The cabinet isn't just ideal for storing books or office supplies. Its design was made for concealing your computer tower, while the transparent door provides for those who want to display their tower. The tower cabinet bottom panel comes with a gap for accessible airflow and cable management. Conveniently charge your smart devices with the included USB and power ports located underneath the tabletop. Excellent for keeping your cables neat and organized. Crafted with a metal frame and premium wood-like materials. Elevate your study and workspace with this contemporary desk. This desk is not only stylish, but it's also easy to assemble. Set up your perfect workstation in no time. The Elsy desk comes in various two-tone finishes such as black with natural, white with natural, blue with white, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.